So when I came across this hot dog toaster, I knew I had to give it a try. I mean, what is a hot dog toaster? Okay, I mean, I get it. It makes sense. It's going to cook your hot dogs, but really? We're going to give it a try. So I love the look of it. Looks very retro, very funky. This can do 2 hot dogs at a time. So these are your slots where you're going to put the hot dogs, and you even can put your buns in here. So you're going to toast your buns, cook your hot dog, and then you have this. This will pop out to make it easier for you. You have your crumb tray here on the bottom, and then on the back over here, whoops, as you can see, I've never used this before. We're literally trying it for the very first time together. Let's take that out. So then on this side, you can select your toastiness, and then we're just going to push this down. Of course, if it's, too toasty, you can move it back. And then if you want it to stop cooking mid-toast, you can just hit that stop button. So we're just going to go ahead and try one and give it a try. So I'm just going to put that hot dog in there. Going to put this bun in here. And I'm going to put it on a level 3. I don't know. Kind of seems, somewhere in the middle-ish. I don't know if I'm doing, okay. I'm not sure. Hopefully I'm doing this right. It's on. I can feel it. My only thing is, so I'm assuming maybe it's like more intense being grilled on this side. So yeah, actually looking inside where the bun is, I don't see, like, how the inside of a toaster, you've got, like, with your little, like, grill marks and everything. I do see that on this side here with the hot dog, but I don't see that with the bun, which is good, because that was kind of my concern. My concern was if I'm putting them both down at the same time, I'm worried about, is this bun going to get burnt and then the hot dog's not going to actually be cooked. So yeah, we're just going to kind of wait it out and see how that goes. They even give you like little tongs to then be able to grab it after. So I'm not too sure how long this is going to take. Let me see what time it is. Okay, so I'm just going to wait it out, and then we're going to come right back, and I'll let you know how long it took. Okay, so I had it on 3, as you guys knew, and literally it popped up after like 2 minutes, and I was like, that doesn't seem well done enough for me. So then I put it on 5, and it was probably in there for about 6 minutes or so, and I was getting a little bit concerned because it was like kind of popping and making noises, which I guess totally makes sense because that's like what hot dogs do. And yeah, so this like thing is like popping and steaming. It's got yeah, it looks pretty good. And then the bread, yeah, so I'm not too sure. I think it will be some trial and error, like maybe putting the hot dog in and then putting this. So like it is super nice and crispy on the inside. The edges here did get a little bit burnt, as you can see. But I mean, I feel like this is going to be the moment of truth. Like, how does it taste? Does it actually taste cooked? Like, I feel like this can be really hot. I have to be careful, but let's see. Look at that steam. Tastes like a cooked hot dog. This is pretty fun. I mean, I was never a fan of like boiled hot dogs, and I know a lot of people do that. And I'm also not great at working the barbecue. So I think that this is a really great alternative to have. This is like, it's super fun. Easy to put on the counter or just kind of store away. This would be really fun if you're like camping or out at a cottage or something and you don't have a barbecue. Makes it super easy just to do some hot dogs. And yeah, I'm a fan. This is fun.